In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set priority on a task in Wrike. Setting clear priorities in Wrike is a simple step that can make a big difference in how you and your team focus your time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click, what you're looking at on the screen, and how to make sure your most important tasks stand out. First, start by opening your Wrike workspace and navigating to the project or folder where your task lives. In this example, we're working inside a campaign folder called Beginner Campaign. You'll want to open that folder so you can see your tasks in the table or list view, along with their key details like dates and statuses. Once you're in the correct folder, look for the column labeled Go Live Date, or the equivalent date column your team uses. This column usually shows when a task is planned to be launched or completed. Find the task you want to prioritize, then click directly on the Go Live date for that specific row. This helps you focus on the right task and opens up the Details panel where you can adjust settings, including priority. When the task details are visible, you'll see various fields such as status, assignee, and sometimes a priority indicator. Look for the highlight or icon that represents priority. This might appear as a small label, a flag, or a color-coded area near the task name or in the task panel. Click on that highlighted area to open the priority options. From the menu that appears, choose High. Selecting High immediately marks this task as a top priority, helping it stand out visually in your workspace. This is especially useful when you're managing multiple tasks with similar dates and need to be clear about which ones must be done first. If your task appears in more than one view or section, repeat the same action wherever you see the priority highlight. Click on the highlight again, and once more, choose High. This ensures that the high priority setting is consistently applied no matter how you or your teammates are viewing the work. After you've done this, your task is now marked as high priority and will be easier to spot during planning sessions, stand-ups, or when quickly scanning your board or table view. That's all you need to do to set a task's priority in Wrike. By consistently marking your most important tasks as high, you'll keep your workload organized and make it clearer for everyone which work needs attention first.